In this Veritas Global Protection review, we're breaking down how vehicle protection plans work and why understanding the process can make a big difference when unexpected repairs arise. Vehicle protection plans, often incorrectly called extended warranties, are designed to help cover certain mechanical repair costs after a manufacturer's warranty ends. As vehicles become more advanced, repairs can involve expensive components, technology, and labor. That's why many drivers explore protection plans as a way to manage the cost of ownership with greater confidence. So, how does the process actually work? It begins with the customer selecting a plan based on their vehicle, driving habits, and the level of coverage they want. That plan becomes a contract, outlining what systems and components may be covered, along with any exclusions or limitations. Next, an administrator oversees the contract behind the scenes. The administrator plays an important role in reviewing repair claims, confirming eligibility, and helping coordinate the approval process. When a mechanical issue occurs, the driver brings the vehicle to a licensed repair facility. The shop diagnoses the problem and submits a claim for review before moving forward with repairs. At that point, coverage depends on the specific terms of the plan. Some contracts are exclusionary, meaning most components are covered unless specifically listed as excluded. Others are stated component plans which cover only certain systems, such as the engine or transmission. Many plans also include a deductible, which is the out-of-pocket amount a driver may pay before coverage applies. Another important factor is maintenance. Keeping up with routine service and maintaining proper records can help ensure the claims process goes smoothly. This Veritas Global Protection review is meant to provide a clearer look at how vehicle protection plans function, what drivers should expect, and why understanding the details matters when repairs become necessary.